Returning officer jong Shillong Parliamentary Constituency USC Sadhu. Ulalit benjurip igijing penkre igijing dan kam na kabenta kasinyo vote Apollo. Kenang bagan long kabayat bet ya denti. Bat labha kamru ig BLO ke media team ki pulet bat CRPF ki bapaharai ke strong room. Ni kajaka babo ya ki kor EVM. Returning officer ulong bat lepen kre na dong shadong ban penti kena bagajing yo vote kan long kabayat bet bat banat na kanu kanu kenrum kenram kejakan yo vote. Bat ban penti kena bagi ban yo orong syakejakan yo vote kendai tangki brio ke beliau jingbet. Ulia tu ru balabo ya kenhuan ke ban ai ke jingtip yi nong patai kubor kenang bagian la ban pendap ke kam ram jongki ban patai ki kubor syaki pat ba. Harga bedai bagi jing dawa ban weng no ya ke jing penjari ya ke kendon cis pasau kusau CrPC ha ke Sngi nyovot. USC Sadhu belong Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills ulong ba on weng setia ke hukum ke bakang persya ban yat pat ba ni ban yat rali ha ke Sngi nyovot. Bar ula banjor bakam dan jingkang ki sengsan pertai ni kertong bagian lek kemen halaki jongki shnong ki tau. Bat om persya ik jing lek kemen jongki. Ula pente boleh op diang ya kejing kerpat nek seng san pertai bat seng balang ban weng no ka kendon cis pak sau pasau CrPC kam tam halor kejing khang banyak rali ndre ya kene hukum la pen mi de kejing temu ban peti kena ba ka syong sok syong san kan om thut bat kan om don kejing thut ka yat ke yang jong pat ba kam tam ha ka sau trek ujel liu ka badai ka Sngi long trei.
This is one political party, and yesterday we received one petition from one of the NGOs with regard to revocation of 144, particularly with regard to prohibition of processions and rallies. But this order has been issued with an objective to ensure that law and order is not disturbed, and also to ensure the traffic convenience for the normal commuters. So because on 4th, that is counting day, would be a working day, and the counting center is in the middle of the city. So there is every possibility that the processions may lead to law and order disturbances, and also will create huge traffic problems that we experienced in last assembly elections. So with these objectives, we have issued these directions prohibiting processions and rallies, but other forms of celebrations at their own localities are not prohibited in this order. So this is very clear, and we have conveyed it to all stakeholders also. So sir, we will not revoke this order. No, there is no thought of revoking this order, which is already issued. But again, I would like to reiterate that there is no objection of the parties or candidates celebrating at their own localities, so that we are not against the celebrations.